Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make Café Bonbon. First, prepare your espresso machine and select a clear, heat-resistant glass. You'll need two key ingredients: rich, freshly brewed espresso and a good quality sweetened condensed milk. Make sure your condensed milk is at room temperature. This helps it blend smoothly and creates the beautiful layered effect we're aiming for. Next, carefully pour the sweetened condensed milk into the bottom of your glass. A good starting point is about 1.5 to 2 ounces, but feel free to adjust this based on how sweet you like your drink. The condensed milk forms the foundational layer, so ensure it's evenly distributed at the bottom of the glass before moving on to the next step. Now, it's time to brew your espresso. Prepare a single or double shot, aiming for approximately 1.5 to 2 ounces of strong, hot espresso. The quality of your espresso is crucial here, so use freshly ground beans if possible. The heat of the espresso will gently warm the condensed milk, preparing it for the beautiful layering. Finally, and this is the key to the signature look, slowly pour the hot espresso directly over the condensed milk. Pouring gently helps the espresso float on top, creating two distinct, beautiful layers. Serve your Café Bonbon immediately to enjoy the contrast in temperatures and flavors. Stir before drinking to combine the sweetness and coffee perfectly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.